Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a real simple no-bake recipe. Hershey pie. And this only takes 3 ingredients. You need to get a 6-pack of Hershey bars, but we're only going to use about 5.5 or so. And melt it in your microwave. You're going to have to do it in increments so that it doesn't burn or get lumpy. You want it to be smooth like you see here. And you're going to need 8 ounces of whipped topping. You're going to need the whole container. Just stir all that up.
Out of sand, reaching for the ground.
Now you can reserve some whipped topping. I forgot to for the top, but it's not necessary. You just need to make sure you get all of the chocolate mixed in. Okay, and I've got a graham cracker crust here. We're gonna just fill this up. And you need to stick this in the fridge for a few hours. 2 to 3 would be best. Now, since I forgot to withhold some whipped topping, I'm not gonna be able to garnish it like I wanted to. You can take your chocolate, the little piece you reserved, which again you didn't have to do that if you didn't want to. It's fine. And you're gonna grate some of it on top of your pie. And I'm going to put a plate under this so that it doesn't make a mess. Just an old plate. Just an old plate. And then you're just going to shave or grate some of this chocolate on top. And that's it. Stick it in the fridge, like I said, for 2 to 3 hours so it can harden up. And we're doing this in the early evening time, so hopefully it'll be ready for after dinner. Alright, really quick, really simple, really easy, and it's done. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.
I wish I could